Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the OEM plinth and get a nice clean look using our Plinth Delete Kit on a C-Class. Things you're going to need. You'll need our Plinth Delete Kit. This is specific to the 205 C-Class. You also need a number plate bracket. Just choose the one that matches your number plate. In this particular case, it's a Victorian slimline. We have brackets that suit basically any plate in Australia. If you have all those parts, next thing you're going to do is take off the OEM plinth. It's quite easy. There's 3 clips on the top and 2 little pinch holes on the bottom. So all you got to just pull and pry, it pops off, and now you're ready to install the plinth. Now that you've got the factory plinth off the car, you're ready to use our miniature one. So installation is quite easy. There's a locator at the back, which goes on this hole there. And there's like a little leveling sort of ledge on the bottom. So all you got to do is line it up into the hole, goes in one spot only, hold it up and use the supplied stainless screws and screw it into the car. So there are some holes left behind from the OEM plinth. So the kit comes with little plugs. You can plug them in. You're not going to see them because they get covered by the plate anyway. If you want to get them painted, you can. And now we're ready to put on the bracket. Now you're going to choose where you want to mount it. So there's a couple of options there. You can go there or there. I think we're going to go and use the bottom 2 slots because I think that's most central to the bus. Last step is to mount your plate to the bracket using the screws provided. Now there are a few mounting options including security screws, but we're going to go with the normal dress bolts because we think it looks best in this situation. Our mounting system is also compatible with Kingpin and Ultrex covers, so I've got some covers to put on, so let's pop them on to finish the look. All done. Using our Plinth Delete Kit and our bracket, we've managed to remove the OEM plinth from factory, big and ugly. Now you've got a nice clean look like this. I hope you found this video helpful and thanks for watching.